If your doors are sticking only when the weather gets all humid, you're not alone, and there are some chill ways to fix it. So, first off, humidity makes wood swell up because it soaks in moisture from the air, right? To keep your doors from turning into a pain, grab a dehumidifier for the room or area where the door sticks the most. That way, you cut down on moisture hanging around in the air. Also, check the edges of your door. Sometimes they get swollen and rough, so lightly sanding those swollen parts can help the door slide back to normal. Don't forget to wipe the dust off after sanding to keep it smooth. Another trick is to use a little wax or soap on the door edges or the frame where it rubs. That helps it glide better. You can also try keeping windows open or fans on to improve airflow and reduce humidity inside. If your door still sticks, look at the hinges. Sometimes they get loose or rusty, which makes things worse. Tightening screws or applying some oil to hinges can make a big difference. One of the biggest mistakes people make with doors sticking in humid weather is ignoring the root cause, like high indoor humidity, which just keeps swelling your wood nonstop. Fix that by using a good dehumidifier and improving ventilation in your home. Another common issue is sanding too much or unevenly, which can mess up how the door fits and looks. So go easy and be patient with sanding small areas. Lastly, people forget about checking the door hardware, especially hinges and screws that get loose or rusty over time. Make sure you keep those tight and lubricated to avoid extra friction. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know how to fix stuff like sticking doors without making a mess. And if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid way to get work and connect with people who need your skills nearby.